restoring your copper heat shields to a mirror finish. Getting your heat shields to a beautiful mirror finish is easy. All you need is a bench grinder and the following products: acetone cleaning solvent or a similar product, several clean, soft cotton cloths, a small tin of Everbright Protector Clear, and Everbright application pad, tapered spindles for your bench grinder. Attach the spindles to your bench grinder. Use a loose leaf unstitched polishing wheel. Attach the polishing wheel to the spindle. Use metal polishing compound SSX Green. This is formulated for copper polishing. Clean your copper heat shields thoroughly with acetone solvent, making sure all grime, dirt, and any remaining Everbright Protector Clear is removed. Dry thoroughly with cotton cloth. Apply a small amount of compound green to the polishing wheel. Buff and polish in a straight motion, applying medium pressure. Continue this until a desired mirror finish is achieved, adding small amounts of compound green to the polishing wheel as required. The more time you spend polishing, the better the outcome. Recommended polishing time for both copper heat shields is between 10 and 20 minutes. Once satisfied with the finish, clean both heat shields with acetone solvent. Wipe dry with a clean cotton cloth. When completely dry, apply a small amount of Protector Clear with the application pad. One very light thin coat is required. Apply in a straight motion without leaving streaks. Do not apply a second coat. Let cure for 48 to 72 hours in a dry, ventilated, dust-free area.